so it's getting dark, and like the sun is going down. And as it's just starting to get dark, I hear this wailing.
Like an Indian wailing?
Like, it sounded like an older man, like, wailing in pain, like, severe pain. And so I was like, hell no, I'm going to my room, because my room is, like, positive energy. Like, all of my friends, like, tell me that they, like, never want to leave my room when they're in my house sleeping over. But anyway, so that night I had a dream that I was back in the hospital, because I was in the hospital for 3 weeks prior. And, I was, like, kind of, like, just vegetable in bed, and, like, there was this healer Indian. And he had, like, feathers on and everything, like, a whole attire. And he was like, here's what we're going to do. Because I had so much fear when I had psychosis, like, immense fear. Just everything was terrifying me. And, like, I feel like I was, like, pulling in negative energy because of my fear.
Yeah,
and,
exactly,
And he was like, here's what we're going to do. And he started singing to me, and he held up a dream catcher. So it's really weird that I got a dream catcher.
That's amazing.
But, yeah.
Okay, now, you were saying that you had dreams, and you picked up on dreams and visions?
Yeah, she channels from a celestial place. Like, it's almost like Star Child energy. Like, it's celestial, reincarnated celestial energy. Very beautiful. That's where you're channeling your art and your music and your subconscious from your dreams.
From your past lives?
Yeah.
Or past lives?
That's what I felt. Definitely.
Wow, that's crazy.
So when she says that you had dreams and visions, or you were having that then?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like, I had a vision about a dream catcher, and I got a dream catcher.
Wow.
Well, that's what she said. First thing she said, this person, she said somebody's dreaming and they're having visions. And I said, you don't know the half of it, basically, because Chloe was having lots
So
of
when he
visions.
said, here's what we're going to do, what was it?
He started singing to me and, like, holding up smoke and, like, having a dream catcher, like,
Healing her.
dancing and stuff.
And like, he followed her from the house. He's probably from the tree.
Yeah.
So do you guys think that that's who said, I'm here?
I don't know, it sounded
Well,
like an older man.
She also, too, picked up on imps. Okay, can you explain that? Okay.
Okay, they're, well, some people
Elementals.
there's different, some people might call them demonic. They weren't meant to be like that. They were helpers of witches or something, like spirits you would summon. They're sort of just like, they have, like, black ears, like the tail, like you see.
They sound cute.
Yeah, they're kind of cute. They look monkey-like, like they swing through the trees. So it's just like they're attracted to that tree. So they're attracted to magic.
In Napa, on the trees out in Napa, there's a section that is haunted by bebops. And they're basically imps that look like monkeys.
Wow,
Yeah.
they're monkey-like, yeah.
So did you see him or feel him?
I see them.
What
I
color
see them.
are they?
They're
Just-
black.
You don't see them in color. They're just
No, they're black. Yeah, they're black.
They are black.
They don't have fur.
They don't have any texture.
Yeah, exactly. It's like
So do they cause things to happen, like any paranormal activity, or do they just hang
Oh
out
yeah,
there?
they can cause dreams.
Can they mess with things or put things around or do things, or is that a different type of?
Is that what's going on in the house?
They could be causing some of the bad dreams, but they're also like lower class, so I don't think they're really that like powerful to cause all that, but they're attracted to the energy and they're kind of like mischievous. in a
Okay.
way.
So my sister didn't want to talk about, like, her, like, paranormal activity things
Yeah.
going on. But when she was little, like, she would see, like, apparitions of things, and not, like, apparitions of ghosts, like, scary things. When my mom was in the shower once, she was hanging out in her room, which was that room at the time, and she was just chilling, playing with toys, and then this white, long, tall figure, like stick figure, starts chasing her around the room. I don't know what that could possibly be, but like,
It almost sounds like Slender.
I know.
I know.
I think about that and it like gives me chills.
Yeah.
In Fresno, California,
Yeah, that's exactly what I thought
Yeah.
of those.
the stick figures that walked across the
Those night
park.
walkers, right?
Yeah, night stalkers, yeah.
So you
I don't
know
think
of stick
Chloe
figures.
doesn't know about
Yeah.
What are?
They're in Fresno, my
What?
hometown. My hometown.
Wait, tell me. I'm like.
They have them on camera. People's cameras. They're just. I don't think they're from this planet. I think they're from a different planet.
They're elemental too. They're dimensional, so they actually come from another dimension, and they go into our reality and back to their reality. Same thing as
Well,
Bigfoot.
they're
That's
like
why
a
we
big
can't
lead of
capture
legs
Bigfoot.
walking.
Yeah.
They're like.
Oh hell no! I'm sorry. Oh no.
But and it had a little baby with it, and the one I saw had
Yeah.
a baby with
You
it
saw one like
on YouTube.
Oh, okay. And like other stories that my sister had told me when she was little. And so my mom was sleeping with her in the room, and she like wakes up and it's like nighttime, and she goes, "Mommy, do you hear that?" And Mom doesn't. She's like, "No, what are you talking about?" She's like, "Do you hear that?" Or she was like, "No, do you see that?" She's like, "Do you see that, Mommy?" And she's looking out the window, and she's like, "No." And she's like, "She's crying," and like she was looking out at this woman holding her baby, and like kind of rocking back and forth and crying, and just right outside in the backyard.
Oh yeah, we got that story. Yeah, that's
So do you
interesting.
think